This is David Peterson, Mobile Development Frameworks 2, Week 1, and this is my app. I just called it Tweet World, and when you load it, it loads the tweets. I'll press refresh so you can see, comes up with a Twitter World, and I just added one of these activity indicators just for the practice of it. And if you press on one to go, it takes you into the detail level. As far as the code, let me move this over here. Probably the most significant thing that I did, besides all of the stuff that we learned in the class and the challenges, learned about NS number. I don't remember covering anything with that, and I kept trying integers and it didn't work. And so looking up on the internet, I found a site and went through NS number, so read up on it. But I built a subroutine that says alert toggle and accepts a Boolean switch of show alert yes or no. So if show alert is equal to yes, then I start the activity indicator animating and it's not hidden, and then I show an alert view and show it. If it comes in and the show alert is no, then I remove it from the server, or actually I dismiss it. I don't think that works, and I left that in my code. The program works, but that I don't think that line of code actually does what I thought it did, because I switched and added this line of code. But then also the indicator for the activity view is hidden. So that kept me. I started having starting this refresh in multiple places. And the other challenge was then just getting this all straight, coming over into the Twitter post and setting this up to parse the information coming in from Twitter. But it was a good learning process, and two things happened. One is being excited about how much I knew what to do with casting fields, and or maybe if I didn't know it, I had a very good idea, and it was a matter of semantics or syntax to get it right. And so I can see a huge amount of progress in my development as an iOS programmer. So that's the way the program works. Here's my Twitter, and so it was a pretty good assignment. Well, I guess I didn't show you the bringing up the tweet composition screen. I must wait for this. This really threw me in the beginning of programming. I didn't know about, somehow I missed in the reading to reset, and so I was going through all kinds of gyration and testing, trying to figure out why my screen was firing before my data was collected, and then how to prevent that. And as with all things, you learn a lot when you work through that. So in just a matter of seconds, there we go. If I press tweet, up comes and I just threw the picture in there, so I can say, this is the last time I will do this. Post it. If I refresh it, guess I could refresh this as well. And if I go, you see it was just sent 12:10. Not sure why that's a 1610, but unless it's Greenwich Mean Time. And so there we are. And what would I do different? There are just I would have done a little bit more with colors, and I would have liked to have brought in the picture, and that would be something I would have added to the second screen, but just didn't have the time to do it. But sure did learn a lot. Thanks.